In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadow in Canva. To get started, open Canva in your browser. Once Canva loads, you'll be on the main home screen where you can start a new project. If you're new to Canva, don't worry. This process is very simple, and the shadow effect can make your images look much more professional and visually appealing. Next, click on Create. This is where you begin making a new design. Canva offers a lot of different project types, so after clicking Create, choose any design you want. For example, you can select a document, an Instagram post, or any other layout that fits your project. The exact design size doesn't matter too much for this tutorial, so just pick the one you want to work with. Once your blank design opens, go to the Upload section. This is where you can bring your own image into Canva. Click Upload Files, then select the image you want to add a shadow to. After the upload finishes, place that image into your design area so you can start editing it. Now click on the image to highlight it. This is important because Canva needs to know which element you want to edit. When the image is selected, you should see editing options appear. After that, click on the image and then look for the Edit option. Click Edit to open the image editing panel. This is where Canva keeps many of its visual tools and effects, including the shadow feature. On the left side, you'll see the editing menu. Scroll down until you find shadow. Once you see it, choose the shadow style that fits your image best. Canva may offer different shadow looks, so take a moment to compare them and see which one works best with your design. A soft shadow can give a clean and subtle look, while a stronger shadow can make the image stand out more. That's it. You've successfully added a shadow in Canva. As a quick tip, after applying the shadow, it's a good idea to step back and look at the overall design. Make sure the shadow improves the image instead of making it feel too heavy or distracting. In most cases, a natural-looking shadow gives the best result. Now you know how to create a design, upload an image, open the edit tools, and apply a shadow effect directly inside Canva. It's a fast way to give your graphics more depth and make them look more polished. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.